Deploying your application is easy with alwaysAI. You can begin deploying during the development process to see how your application will run on the edge. Our deployment engine supports ARM32, 64, such as NVIDIA Jetson Nanos and Xavier's, Raspberry Pi 3 and 4, and x86-based machines such as Mac, Windows, and Linux. We also support a variety of accelerators like the Intel Myriad. In order to run an application, we use the commands alwayAI app configure to pull down a project from the alwaysAI dashboard. You can integrate a Git repo into your project as well to automatically pull any relevant code. Or you can leverage one of our starter apps if you are starting from scratch. While configuring, you can choose to deploy on your development machine or a remote device over the internet or through a local Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Once you have configured a project, you can run alwayAI app install to install your application and any corresponding models and dependencies. alwaysAI will package all your dependencies into a container and put those on the edge device automatically. Finally, you can run alwayAI app start to start your application and see a live video stream from your device right in your favorite browser. Once you are ready to go into production, you can leverage auto start on boot, offline mode, unlimited deployment to devices, unlimited projects, and much more functionality with the alwaysAI platform. Once you have deployed, it is easy to update your application. In a week, a month, or even a year down the line, you may want to enable new features, update your model, or change application code on a production application. This is an easy process with alwaysAI that requires little to no downtime. Once you've made your changes, you can reinstall your application with alwayAI app install and start it again with alwayAI app deploy. Be sure to catch our next video where we will discuss gathering analytics from your edge device. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out to alwaysAI for more information on our platform.